was flying back to LA where I now live, and the flight attendant came up to me and she said, "This is a note from a girl sitting at the back of the plane." I want to share what the note says. "I dropped out of college a few months ago because of depression. I've watched every episode of The Buried Life, and honestly, it's helped me get my life back on track. I just got into UCLA, which is why I'm here. Thank you." To this day, I don't know who wrote this note, but it means a lot to me because effectively, it's my story. And it's a very common story right now in this country. And it's a story that affects all of us. Because if 1 in 4 people struggle with mental health, I think it's fair to assume that we all care about more than 4 people. This is something that affects us directly or indirectly. So what can we do about this crisis as leaders? Well, one thing we can do is we can help break the stigma around mental health by having healthy, productive conversations. Because who you truly are is exactly who you need to be. And there's 2 sides of that coin. There's being who you truly are and going after the things that are important to you, your bucket list. And there's being who you truly are and not hiding the things that you're struggling with. Because what you might find is those things that you think are your weaknesses can actually be your strengths.